Sabbam Rupam. So in the Rupakanda, second chapter of Dhammasangati, Sabbam cha Rupam has been defined as a Chattaro cha Mahabhuta, Chaturnam cha Mahabhutanam Upadaya, Idam Guchati Sabbam Rupam. Then Asankhata cha Dhatu. Asankhat is in the name of Nibbana. In Dhammasangati, it has been said that Katme Dhamma Asankhata. Yo Dhamma Apachaya, Te Dhamma Asankhata hoti. Those states which are not dependent on cause and condition, they are called as asankhata. Asankhata means uncomposite, which are not dependent on cause and conditions. The other ultimate reality, chitta, chetasik and rupa, consciousness, psychic factors and material qualities, they are dependent on cause and conditions, hetu and the pacha. But asankhata dhatu, nibbana, which is not dependent on any cause and conditions, that is why it is called as asankhata dhatu. So asankhata dhatu is also called as abhyakata. So here abhyakata is in the sense of all the 36 or 52 types of vipaka chitta, 20 types of kriya chitta in the planes of existence, kamavachar, rupavachar, arupavachar and lokuttara, as well as 27 types of material qualities, rupa, chattaro cha mahabhuta, chatunam cha mahabhutanam, upadaya, sabbam rupam, and then asankhata dhatu, that is the nibbana. This is called as Katme Dhamma Abhyakata. The answer of the question limited to the scope of only 4 ultimate reality. Here Dhamma is in the sense of 4 ultimate reality. Chitta, Chetasik or Nibbana. We have to answer these questions. So the text says like this, but the chart you can see that how in the chart it has been said. Again in the Kamavachar 23, if you see the breakup of the Kamavachar, there are Kamavachar Sahetu Vipat 8 and Kamavachar Ahetu 15. Altogether there are 23 types of Kamavachar Vipat. And then Rupavachar, there are 15 types of consciousness, 5 Sal, 5 Vipat and 5 Kriya. So here 5 is the Vipat only. In the case of Kriya also, you will see that there are 5 Vipat also, Kriya also. In Arupavachar there are 4 and Lokottar there are 4 Vipat. In the case of 8 types of Lokottar Chitta, in the case of 40 types of Lokottar Chitta, there are 20 types of consciousness which are called as Vipat. So this is the breakup of all these things, Rupa are 27 and Asankhata dhatu. So this is the complete of all these things. Kusal Dik, there are 3 questions. Katme Dhamma Kusala, Katme Dhamma Akusala, Katme Dhamma Abhyakata. Now we are coming to the second Tik, that is called as Vedana Tik. So if you have the text, the Roman or Devanagari, you can go through these. Then you will find that there are 3 questions here. Katme Dhamma Sukhai Vedana Sampayukta, Katme Dhamma Dukhai Vedana Sampayukta, Katme Dhamma Adukham Asukham Sukhai Vedana Sampayukta. So let us discuss. If you have the text, you can go through it. Otherwise, I will also quote it. Now we are coming to the Katme Dhamma, the first question of the Vedana Tik. First question is Katme Dhamma Sukhai Vedana Sampayukta. If you have the text, you can go through it. Let us discuss what is Vedana. Sa Vedeti iti Vedana. Kayik asata Vedana ti Vedana. That unbearable feeling is called as Vedana. If you go through the 12 links of law of dependent origination, then Passo Pachaya Vedana, that feeling is arising on the basis of the contact with the objects. Whenever there is a contact of our senses with the object, the respective object, then there is a 6th type. On the basis of contact, there is the arising of feeling. That is why it is called as Passo Pachaya Vedana. Again, in the Milinda Paino, Nag Sen says that Anubhavan Feeling is that which is being experienced by touching. Anubhavan lakhana. Saha vedeti iti vedana. Vedana is that which is being experienced by touching. Vedana is of initially three types: Sukha Vedana, Dukha Vedana, and Upekha Vedana. You might be knowing. There are three types of initially Vedana: Sukha Vedana, Dukha Vedana, and Upekha Vedana. Sukha Vedana is pleasant feeling. It has been defined as a Sukharena Khamati iti Sukha. That agreeable feeling by our body is called as Sukha. An unpleasant feeling, Dukkharena Khamati iti Dukkham. That unbearable feeling by our body is called as Dukkha. If you go through the Dukkha, there are two terms, Du and Kha. Dukkharena, Kha means Khamati. That unbearable or disagreeable feeling is called as Dukkha. If you go through the first noble truth, Dukkham Arya Satyam, there are 8 types of Dukkha which has been discussed in the first noble truth, Dukkham Arya Satyam. That is Jati Pi Dukkha, Jara Pi Dukkha, Marnam Pi Dukkham, Apyehi Sampayogo Dukkho, Pyehi Vipayogo Dukkho, Yam Pi Iksham Tam Na Labdhi Tam Pi Dukkham, Sanskritena Panchupadan Khandati Dukkha. So there are 8 types of Dukkha which are said in our first noble truth. So Dukh is it is also Dukh is of 2 types, Domanas Vedana and Dukha Vedana. Domanas Vedana, whenever there is an unpleasant feeling which is being experienced by our body as well as mind, this is called as Domanas Vedana. And Dukha Vedana is that whenever an unpleasant feeling, Dukh is being experienced by our body, only by the body, not by the mind. This is called as Dukha Vedana. In the same manner, we are having 2 types of Sukha Vedana, Somanasa Vedana and Sukha Vedana. Whenever there is a pleasant feeling which is being experienced by our body as well as mind, this type of pleasant feeling is called as Somanasa Vedana. And whenever there is a pleasant feeling which is being experienced by only our body, only our 5 senses, then it is called as Sukha Vedana. So altogether there are 5 types of Vedana. There is the last Vedana which is called as Upekha Vedana. So there are 5 types of feelings. So 89 or 121 types of consciousness, they are also considered on the basis of Vedana. There are feelings. How many are the consciousness? Now the question is, out of the 4 ultimate reality, Chitta, Chetsik, Rupa and Nibbana, how many are the consciousness, psychic factors or the Rupa or Nibbana? How many are the consciousness which are associated with the feeling? So now the first question is, Katme Dhamma Sukhai Vedana Sampayutta, means how many are the pleasant feeling associated with the body and the mind out of the 4 ultimate reality, Chitta, Chetsik, Rupa and Nibbana? The answer of this question is limited to only 4 ultimate reality, Chatuta, Paramata Dhamma, Chitta, Chetsik, Rupa and Nibbana. So now let us find out that how many are the consciousness which are called as Sukha Vedana. So there is a difference between Sukha and Priti also. Will come whenever we will discuss about Katme Dhamma Priti Sargata, Katme Dhamma Sukh Sargata. So Priti is the initial pleasant feeling, and Sukh is the whenever there is a composure of pleasant feeling within the body and the mind. This stage is called as Sukha. So we'll come to the point later on also, but here we are going to discuss that how many are the consciousness which are 89 or 121 types of consciousness which are called as Sukha Vedana. So let us see our scope of the inquiry of this question is Valli Chitta Chetsik Rupa Nibbana. So the Rupa Nibbana are neither associated with the Sukha or Dukha. So we do not have to consider the Rupa also. Therefore our aim is limited to consciousness only, not other Rupa and Nibbana. In plain words, it is said that how many are the consciousness which are associated with the pleasant feeling. Now see the table. There are 4 planes of existence: Kamavachar, Rupavachar, Arupavachar and Uttar. Out of the 4 planes of existence, we have to see how many are the consciousness which are associated with the pleasant feeling. That is the Sukha Vedana. So see, if you go through the 4 planes of existence, you will see Kamavachar, Rupavachar and Lukuttara. If you see in the Rupavachar, we are having the feeling. In the Kamavachar, Somanas Sahagatam, Yan Sampayutam, Asankharikam, Sasankharikam. In the Kamavachar, not all the 54, but there are consciousness which are associated with the Vedana. We had also discussed that all types of consciousness are called as Kriya, that is the concern action. Chetana, Bhikkhave, Kambam, Vadami. So we have to see whatever the actions we are doing, moral or immoral actions, they are called as Kriya or the consciousness, Chitta. So let us see that how many are in the Arupavachar. If you remember, if you have there is no any pleasant feeling. That is the Upekha Vedana. All the 12 types of consciousness of the Arupavachar planes of existence, there is no any pleasant or unpleasant feeling, Sukha or Dukha. So we have to find out in all planes of existence, Kamavachar, Rupavachar, Arupavachar and Lokuttar, that how many are the consciousness which are called as Sukha Vedana. So see the table here, it will be more clear to you. Out of the Kamavachar, if you go through the Kamavachar Akusala Chitta, Kamavachar Ahetuka Chitta, Kamavachar Sopana Chitta, how many are the consciousness which are called as, which are associated with the Sukha Vedana? If you remember the 8 types of Lobha Mulaka Chitta, then the first 4 is Somanasa Sagatam, Yan Sampayutam, Asankharikam, Swasankharikam. And the 4 are related with the Upekha Vedana. Upekha Sahagatam, Yan Sampayutam, Asankharikam, Swasankharikam. So see, in the case of Akusala, Somanasa, there are only 4. If you have the Abhidhamma Sangho, you can go through it. Then you will find that how many are the consciousness which are associated with the Sukha Vedana. In the case of Sobhana, there are altogether 24 types of Sobhana Chitta, Kusala, Vipak and Kriya. So the 8 types of Kamavachar Sobhana, Kusala Chitta, they are associated, 4 associated with the Sukha Vedana and 4 associated with the Upekha Vedana. So Kusala, Vipak and Kriya, if you see in the case of Sobhana Chitta, Kamavachar Sobhana Chitta, 4 Kusala, 4 Vipak and 4 Kriya. Altogether there are 12 types of consciousness which are associated with the Somanasa Vedana. Okay, we are considering that Somanasa Vedana, that is the pleasant feeling which is associated with the body as well as mind. So altogether there are 12 types of Kamavachar Sobhana Chitta which are associated with the Somanasa Vedana. And in the Kusala, Lobhamulak, there are 4 types of consciousness which are associated with the Sukha Vedana. Then coming to the Kamavachar, Rupavachar, there are Kusala, Vipak and Kriya. Then if you see, there are 5 types of Vitakta Vichar Piti Sukita Ekagrata Saitam Patam Dhanam, Vichar Piti Sukita Saitam Tir Dhanam, पीति सुख एकता सहितम तृतीय ध्यानम, सुख एकता सहितम चतुर्थ ध्यानम, उपेक्षा एकता सहितम पंचम ध्यानम. So if you see that the somanasa is till the piti, till the fourth stage. In the fifth stage, it is called as upekha ekagata sahitam pancham jnana. So out of the five, the four are associated with the sukha vedana. That is the somanasa vedana. So four kusala, four vipaka and four kriya. Altogether, there are 12 types of rupavachar chitta which are associated with the pleasant feeling. That is the somanasa vedana. Pleasant feeling associated with the body as well as mind. Is it clear that there are four? Vitak vichar piti sukh ekta sahitam pratham jhana, piti vichar vitak vichar piti sukh ekta sahitam pratham jhanam, vichar piti sukh ekta sahitam dutiya jhanam, piti sukh ekta sahitam tritiya jhanam, sukh ekagata sahitam chaturth jhanam, till the fourth. In the fifth stage, it comes to upekha ekagata. Upekha is coming here. So out of the five, only four are associated with the somanasa vedana. So four kusala, four vipaka and four kriya. Altogether there are 12 types of rupavachar chitta. Out of 15, they are considered as somanasa vedana. Okay. So now come to the lokottara. In the lokottara, out of the 20 types of out of the 20 types of kusala chitta, so altogether there are 40 types of consciousness which are called as lokottara chitta. Out of the 40, 20 are called as kusala, 20 are called as vipaka. 20 magga and 20 phala. So if you remember how it becomes 20 or 20 magga or 20 phala, when it is 8, how 8 types of lokottara chitta becomes the 20 types of magga and 20 types of phala. If you remember, out of the 8 types of lokottara chitta, in each stage, a yogavachar tries to meditate all the 5 stages of concentration. Jnana. So, suppose in the case of Sotapati Magga, Sakadagami Magga, Anagami Magga, and Arhata Magga, there are 4 Magga and there are 4 Phala. That is the Sotapati Phala, Sakadagami Phala, Anagami Phala, and Arhata Phala. Okay, in each stage, Sotapati Magga, a yogavachar tries to meditate all the 5 stages of concentration. That is the Pitaka Vichar, Piti Sukekta Saikam, Patam Jhanam, Piti Vichar, Piti Sukekta Saikam, Dutiya Jhanam, Piti Sukekta Saikam, Tatiya Jhanam, Sukekta Saikam, Chaturth Jhanam, and Upekha Ekta Saikam, Pancham Jhanam. So each stage of Sotapati, in each stage it becomes it is multiplied by 5. Then Sotapati 4 becomes 20 and 4 Phala becomes 20. So here, if you remember what we have just discussed in the Rupavachar, in the last stage, that is the 5th stage, there is the Upekha. Before Upekha, in the 4th stage, there are Somanasa Vedana, Sukha Vedana. So Kekta Saitam Chaturtha Jhana. So altogether there are 16 types of consciousness which are called as Kusal or Magga, and 16 types of they are called as Vipaka or Phala. Is it clear or not? How 8 types of Lokottara Chitta becomes 40. And out of the 40, there are 8 types of consciousness which are associated with the Upekha Vedana. If you minus 8 types of Upekha Vedana, out of 40, it becomes 32. So altogether there are 32 types of consciousness which are called as Somanasa Vedana, associated with the pleasant feeling. Okay? So if you calculate all from Kamavachar, Rupavachar, Arupavachar. In Arupavachar, there is no any consciousness which is associated with the Sukha Vedana, because all the 12 types of consciousness of the Arupavachar, they are associated with the Upekha Vedana, indifferent feeling. If you remember, in the fifth stage of the Rupa Jhana, Upekha Ekalta Saitam Pancham Jhana, and this Upekha continues to the 12 types of Arupavachar Chitta. So all the 12 types of consciousness does not have any pleasant feeling or unpleasant feeling. They are having only indifferent feeling, that is called as Upekha Vedana. So there is no any enumeration of Arupavachar here. So if you calculate all together, there are 7 types in Kamavachar, that is the, and in Ahetuk Somanasa, we have not discussed. Out of the Ahetuk Chitta, there are 18 types of Ahetuk Chitta. So if you remember, there are 3 types of consciousness which are called as Somanasa Vedana. In the Kamavachar, Ahetuk Kusala Vipak, Sukha Sahagata Kai Vyanam, okay, and Somanasa Sahagatam Sampatichan. And in the Kriya Chitta, there is one Kriya Chitta, that is the Upekha Sahagatam Pachadwar Bhajanam Chittam, and then Somanasa Sahagatam Asitutupad Chitta. So there are only 3 types of consciousness which are associated with the Somanasa Vedana. In the Kamavachar Ahetuka Chitta, out of the 18 types of consciousness, there are only 3 types of consciousness which are associated with the pleasant feeling. So see, all together there are 63 types of consciousness which are called as Sukhai Vedana Sampayukta. Now the question is, how many are the states which are associated with the pleasant feeling? There are 63 types of states or the consciousness which are associated with the pleasant feeling. Sukha Vedana. Is it clear? Whenever we are considering Sukha Vedana, Somanasa Vedana, it is associated with the pleasant feeling, associated with the body and the mind. So out of the 121 types of consciousness, there are 63 types of consciousness which are called as Sukha Vedana. Katme Dhamma Sukhai Vedana Sampayukta, the 63 types of consciousness are associated with the Sukha Vedana. So if you go through the text, then it will be more clear here. So in the text, if you have, you can go through it. Otherwise, you can get it printed also, and you can get PDF also. You can go through the laptop also. So in the text, it has been said here. सुख भूमियम कामावचरे रूपावचरे अपर्यापन्ने सुखम वेदनम ठपेत्वा तम संपयुक्तो संज्ञाखंदो संखारखंदो व्यानखंदो इमे धम्मा सुखाय वेदना संपयुक्ता. So this is the our Sukhai Vedana. So Sukha Bhumiyam means out of the 4 types of planes of existence, that is the Kamavachar Bhumi, Rupavachar Bhumi, Arupavachar Bhumi, and Lokottara. Sukha Bhumiyam, the consciousness which are associated with the pleasant feeling. In the Kamavachar, Rupavachar, there is no name of here Arupavachar, only Aparyapanne, that in the stage of Lokottara. Because in Arupavachar, all the 12 types of consciousness are associated with the indifferent feeling, Upekha Vedana. Sukham Vedanam Tapetva, living with all the pleasant feeling, Sukham Vedana, Tam Sampayukto, and associated with this Sanya, one, that is one types of basic psychic factors, Sankhar Khando, which are 50 in number, Vyan Khando, there are 89 or 121 types of consciousness, Ime Dhamma, Sukhai Vedana, Sampayukta. These are the Dhammas which are associated with the Sukha Vedana. So the first question, Katme Dhamma Sukhai Vedana Sampayukta, this is the answer which has been said in the text. So So detailed information we have gone through the table of the Kamavachar, Rupavachar, Rukuttara, that is the Apariyapanna, and then altogether there are 63 types of consciousness which are associated with our Sukha Vedana. Now coming to the second portion of this Dukha, Vedanatik, that is called as Katme Dhamma Dukhai Vedana Samprayukta. How many are the Dhamma, that is the, here Dhamma is Chatudha Dhamma Paramat Chatudha Paramat Dhamma, that is the Chitta Chetasika Rupa Nibbana. So the scope or area of our inquiry of this question is limited to only Chitta Chetasika Rupa Nibbana. So Rupa Nibbana are neither associated with the Sukha or Dukkha. So therefore we have to find out that how many are the consciousness which are associated with the Dukkha Vedana. So let us see, out of all 89 types of consciousness or 121 types of consciousness, how many are the consciousness which are called as a Dukkha Vedana. See the type. There are altogether only 3 out of the 89 or 121 types of consciousness. There are only 3 types of consciousness which are called as Dukhai Vedana Sampayutta. In the Kamavachara Akusala Chitta, if you see, Akusala Domanasa, Patika Sampayuttam, Asankharikam, Swasankharikam. There are 2 types of those Mulaka Chitta. They are called as associated with the Dukha Vedana. Okay? And where is one, that is the Kamavachara Hetuk, Akusal Vipak. That is the Dukha Sahagat Kai Vinyanam. So one type of consciousness in the Kamavachara Hetuka Chitta, only one. So altogether there are 3 types of consciousness which are associated with the unpleasant feeling. So this is the answer in the question. If you have the text, you can go through it. Otherwise, I have written here, Katme Dhamma Dukhai Vedana Samprayukta. That here it is Dukha Bhumiyam Kamavachare Dukham Vedanam Tapetva Tam Sampayutto Sanyakando Sankhar Khando Vyan Khando Ime Dhamma Dukhai Vedana Samprayukta. So see, in the case of Dukha Bhumiyam, Dukha in the Bhumi of Kamavachar, only in the sphere of Kamavachar, not in the Rupavachar, Arupavachar and Lukattar. We do not have. Only in the case of Kamavachar, Dosumulak, 2, Patika Sampayuttam, Asankarikam, Sasankarikam, and Kamavachar Hetuk, Akusal Vipak, Dukha Sagata Kai Vyanam. So here there are only 3 types. So only here there is a name of Kamavachar. Dukkham, Vedanam Tapetva, living with the Vedana, that is the unpleasant feeling, Tam Sampayukto, associated with that. Sanyakhando, there is no name of Vedana here, because we are making inquiry of the feelings, that how many are the Vedana, which are, that is why we are not considering here Vedana, only the Sanya, which is one type of our Sabchitta Sadharan Chetasika, and Sankhar, which are 50 in number, and Vyan Khando, there are 89 or 121 types of consciousness. These states are associated with the Dukha Vedana. So there are 3 Dhammas or the states out of the 4 ultimate realities, Chitta, Chetasika, Rupa, Nibbana. They are called as Dukhai Vedanai Sampayutta. That they are associated with the unpleasant feeling. Is it clear now? We can move to the third question. Now, there is a third question. If you have the text, you can go through it. The third question is Katme Dhamma Adukham Sukhai Vedanai Sampayutta. That how many are the question? The question is how many are the feelings which are neither pleasant feeling nor unpleasant feeling. That is the indifferent feeling. We have seen already there are 5 types of feelings: somanas vedana, sukha vedana, domanas vedana, dukha vedana, and upekha vedana. So here the question is that how many are the dhammas or the states which are neither associated with the pleasant feeling nor they are associated with the unpleasant feeling. Adukham sukhay vedanai sampayukta. The scope of the inquiry is only the 4 ultimate reality, Chatudha Paramat Dhamma, Chitta Chetsik or Rupa Nibbana. We have to find out the answer of this question out of the 4 ultimate reality, Chitta Chetsik or Rupa Nibbana. So here Rupa Nibbana are neither associated with the Sukha or Dukkha. Therefore our aim is limited to consciousness only. We have to find out. In the plain words, it is said that how many are the consciousness which are neither associated with the pleasant feeling nor associated with the unpleasant feeling. Now let us see the answer of these questions altogether. Out of 89 or 121 types of consciousness, how many are the consciousness? They are called as adukham sukhay vedana sampita. Neither pleasant feeling nor unpleasant feeling. That is the upekha vedana. So kama vachar akusal 4. That is the upekha sargatam yan sampayuktam asankarikam sasankarikam. Out of the 12 types of consciousness, kama vachar akusala chitta, there are only 4 types of consciousness which are associated with the upekha vedana. Okay, adukham sukham vedana. In the kama vachar sohan, which are 24 in number, 8 kusala, 8 vipak, and 8 kriya. Out of the 24 types of consciousness, there are only 12, 4 kusala, 4 vipak. Like that is 4 somanasa vedana, 4 upekha vedana. Somanasa sargatam yan sampayutam asankarikam sasankarikam, and in the case of upekha sargatam yan sampayutam asankarikam sasankarikam. So there are 12 types of here consciousness which are called as upekha vedana. I have not made up of the breakdown. In the previous slide, I have already given kama vachar kusala 4, vipak 4, kriya 4. Altogether there are 12. Kama vachar sohan. In the case of kama vachar hetuka, there are 8 types of kama vachar hetuka chitta. There are only 2 types of consciousness which are called as upekha vedana. Then altogether in Rupavachar, if you consider how many are the consciousness which are called as upekha vedana. So if you see there are kusala vipak. In each stage we have seen that vitak vichar piti sukhita sahitam patham jhanam, vichar piti sukhita sahitam dutiya jhanam, piti sukhita sahitam tatiya jhanam, sukhita sahitam chaturtha jhanam, upekha ekagrata sahitam pancham jhanam. So in kusala vipak and kriya, so altogether there are 3. So altogether there are 9 types of consciousness. They are called as upekha vedana. So here if you go through the text, Tatme Dhamma adukham sukhay vedana sampayukta, that adukham sukhay bhumya in the sphere of kamavachare, rupavachare, arupavachare, aparyapanne. In the kamavachar, rupavachar, arupavachar, and aparyapanne, dukkha adukham sukham, that is neither pleasant nor unpleasant feeling, associated with the vedanam thapetva, that is the living the feeling, tam sampayukto, associated with the sanya as well as sankhar, which are 50 in number, and beyond khando, which are 89 or 121 types of consciousness. So altogether there are 5 types of consciousness which are called as our upekha vedana. So here in Upik, all the consciousness of Rupa Vachar. How many are the Rupa Vachar? There are 15 types of consciousness, which 12 types of consciousness, which are called as Upekha Vedana. Okay, and there are 3 types of consciousness which are called as in the Rupa Vachar case. So here there is a wrong statement here. In the Rupa Vachar only 3, and there are 12 types of consciousness which are called as Upekha Vedana in the case of Arupa Vachar. So if you see in the case of Lokottara, if you see out of the 20 types of consciousness, 40 types of consciousness, how many are the consciousness which are called as Upekha Vedana? If you see, we have seen already, there are 32 types of in the previous question. This is the wrong, let me clear here. So if you see how many are the consciousness in the case of 16 and 16. So there are 32 types of consciousness which are called as Somanas Vedana here. So there are 8 types of consciousness which are called here. So here in the case of in the case of here, Rupa Vachar will be 12, and in Rupa Vachar there are only 3, Arupa Vachar 12, and in Lokottar there will be 8 also. Let me make it here. Kama Vachar 4. If you see Kama Vachar 4, how many? And Kama Vachar Hetuk. Rupa Vachar only 3. So Kama Vachar Hetuk, how many will be? In Kama Vachar there will be altogether 6. And Kama Vachar Hetuk. Kamaucha Setu 4 here, and then Kamaucha Kriya Vipal 4, and Kamaucha Kriya 4, and then Kamaucha Hetu Kusal Vipak 6, and Kusal Vipak 6. So altogether there are 55 types of consciousness which are called as Hetuk. Sorry, Upekha Vedana, or Dukkham Sukham Vedana Sampayutta. So see in the text of here there is a table which is not related with this. This is another Upekha Vedana. But here Dukkham Sukham Vedana Sampayutta, that is this is related with our that is the Kamavachar Kusala, Kamavachar Sahetuk, Kamavachar Ahetuk, then Rupavachar and Aparyapadna. So in the case of Valli, we are having Dukkham Sukham Vedana, that it is Dukkham Sukham Bhumiyam, Kamavachare, Rupavachare, Arupavachare, Aparyapadne, Dukkham Sukham Vedanam Kapetva, Tam Sampayukto, Sanyakando, Sankarkando, Vyanakando, Ime Dhamma, Dukkham Vedana Sampayutta. So this is the third question, that Katme Dhamma Dukkham Sukham Vedana Sampayutta. So there are 55 types of consciousness which are associated with the neither pleasant feeling nor unpleasant feeling. So this is the second Tikmatika, that is the Katme Dhamma Sukhai Vedana Sampayutta, Katme Dhamma Dukhai Vedana Sampayutta, and Katme Dhamma Dukkham Sukhai Vedana Sampayutta. So this is the second Tuk related with our Dhammasanjani paper. Now we are coming to the third Tik, that is the Vipaka Tik. So there are also three portions here. Katme Dhamma Vipaka, Katme Dhamma Vipaka Dham Dhamma, Katme Dhamma Neo Vipaka Na Vipaka Dhamma. How many are the consciousness which are called as Vipaka? First portion is Katme Dhamma Vipaka. So now we have to see that the scope of the question is related with the Dhamma only, that is the Chitta Chetsik Rupa Nibbana Chatudha Parmata Dhamma. We have to find out the answer, that how many are the questions, how many are the states which are called as resultant. We have also seen in the case of Kusalatik that Katme Dhamma Kusala, Katme Dhamma Kusala, Katme Dhamma Abhyakata. In the case of Abhyakata, we have also seen that how many are the consciousness which are called as Vipak. So out of 89, there are 36 types of consciousness which are called as Vipak. And out of the 121 types of consciousness, there are 52 types of consciousness which are called as Vipak. So see the table if you see here. In the Kamavachar 23, Rupavachar 5, Arupavachar 4, Lokuttar 4, altogether 36 out of 89, and there are 52 types of consciousness out of 89. Here in the case of Lokuttar Vipak it becomes 20. So the answer is given here. Kusal Akusalanam Dhammanam, if you have the text you can see it. Kusal Akusalanam Dhammanam Vipaka Kamavachara, Rupavachara, Arupavachara, Aparyapanna, Vedana Khando, Sanya Khando, Sankar Khando, Vyan Khando, Ime Dhamma Vipaka. So here Vipaka is Kusal Akusalanam Dhammanam Vipaka, the resultant of the moral and immoral actions. So we have altogether, there are 21 or 37 types of moral actions or Kusala Chitta, and there are 12 types of Akusala Chitta. So the resultant of the moral and immoral actions, they are called as Vipak in the sphere of Kamavachar, Rupavachar, Arupavachar and Lokuttar. Okay, then associated with Vedana Khando, Sanya Khando, Sankhar Khando, Vyan Khando. Ime Dhamma Vipaka. These are called as resultant of the moral and immoral actions. Vipak we have already discussed. Vipachanarthena Vipakam. Vipak is in the sense of resultant of the moral and immoral actions. So here altogether there are 33 types of questions. Now This is the answer of the first questions. Now, the second question of the Vipakatik is Katme Dhamma Vipak Dham Dhamma. Here Dham Dhamma is that how many are the states which are responsible for making the resultant of the moral and immoral actions. Now, the question is, in the first question we have seen that how many are the resultant. But 36 or 52 types of consciousness, how the vipak are being generated. So, how many are the consciousness dhamma, that is the chitta chetsik, how many are the consciousness which are responsible for making the resultant, that is the vipak. Vipak dham dhamma is in the case of the states which are responsible for making the resultant of the moral and immoral actions. So see the chart, if you go through the chart, in the Kamavachar, how many are the consciousness? Altogether there are akusala chitta 12, and there are 21 types of altogether consciousness. In Rupavachar 5, Arupavachar 4, and Lokottar 4. And out of the 121 types of consciousness, there are 20 types of Lokottar Kusala Chitta. So altogether there are 12 types of Kamavachara Kusala Chitta and 21 types of altogether moral consciousness Kusala Chitta in the sphere of Kamavachar, Rupavachar, Arupavachar and Lokottar. 21 or 37 types of consciousness. They are called as Vipak Dham Dhamma. These 33 types of consciousness or 49 types of consciousness, they are responsible for making the resultant of the moral and immoral actions. We are having Vipak 52 out of 121 or 36 out of 89. But these 33 or 49 types of consciousness, they are responsible for making the resultant, that is the vipak. So the answer of this question, Katme Dhamma Vipak Dhamma, means how many are the dhammas or states which are responsible for making the resultant of the moral and immoral actions. These are, there are 33 or 49 types of consciousness. It has been said in the text. If you go through the text, you will see Kusala Akusala Dhamma, 12 types of Akusala Chitta and 21 or 37 types of Kusala Chitta. Kusala Akusala Dhamma in the sphere of Kamavachar, Rupavachar, Arupavachar and Aparyapanna, that is the Lokuttar Chitta. Vedana Khando, Sanya Khando, Sankhar Khando, associated with the Vedana, Sanya, Sankhar, 52 types of psychic factors, and beyond Khando, 89 or 121 types of consciousness. Out of the 89 or 21 types of consciousness, there are only 33 or 49 types of consciousness which are responsible for making the resultant of the moral and immoral actions. What we have seen, so here it is Ime Dhamma Vipak Dham Dhamma. These are the Dhamma, that is the 33 or 49 types of consciousness. They are responsible for making the resultant of the moral and immoral actions. Now the third question is of the Vipak Tik, that Katme Dhamma Neo Vipak Na Vipak Dham Dhamma. How many are the Dhammas which are neither moral, which are neither vipak nor they are responsible for making the resultant of the moral and immoral actions. Neo vipak, no vipak dham dhamma. So the third question is Katme Dhamma Neo vipak, no vipak dham dhamma. It means how many are the dhammas which are neither vipak nor they produce the vipak. They are responsible for making the resultant of the moral and immoral actions. It excludes vipak chit, kusala chit and akusala chit. If you see, we have to find out, we have already seen in the case of Katme Dhamma Vipaka or Katme Dhamma Neo Vipaka, Katme Dhamma Vipaka Dham Dhamma. So we have to exclude the Kusala Chitta and Akusala Chitta and Vipaka Chitta. Besides all the Dhammas, out of the 89 or 121 types of consciousness, they are called as Neo Vipaka, not Vipaka Dhamma. So we have to find out the answer out of the four ultimate reality, Chitta, Chetsik, Rupa and Nibbana. So see, out of the 89 types of consciousness, Kama, Uchar, Kriyachit 11, Kama, Uchar, Sahetuk, Kriyachit 8, and Kama, Uchar, Ahetuk. There are only 3. Altogether, Kama, Uchar, 11 types of consciousness. They are called as our Neo Vipaka, not Vipaka Dhamma. So we are considering under the third portion of Vipaka Tikya. How many are the consciousness? Besides the Kusala Chitta, Akusala Chitta and Vipaka Chitta. So we have to find out how many are the Dhammas. That's the Kriya Chitta. Kriya Chitta as well as Rupa and Nibbana. So we will see that Rupavachar, there are 5 types of consciousness which are called as Kriya Chitta, or Rupavachar Kriya Chitta 4. Altogether there are 20 types of Kriya Chitta. They are neither Vipak nor Vipaka Dhamma. They are called as neither resultant of the moral and immoral actions, nor they are responsible for making the resultant of the moral and immoral actions. So, Rup is 27 types of consciousness. Chattaro cha Mahabhuta, Chatunnam cha Mahabhutanam Upadar, Idam Uchati Sabbam Rupam. So, 27 and Nibbana is 1. That is the Asankhata Dhatu. So, altogether there are 49 types of consciousness which are called as Katme Dhamma, Neo Vipak, no Vipak Dhamma. They are nor Vipak, nor they are not Vipak, nor they are Vipak Dhamma. So see, in the case of our here, Katme Dhamma, Neo Vipak, no Vipak Dhamma. This is the answer here. And go through the text, you will find here, Yeche Dhamma, Kriya, Neo Kusala, no Akusala, no Chakam Vipaka. What we have discussed here, the third portion, Katme Dhamma Neo Vipaka, that it means how many are the Dhammas, neither Vipak nor they produce the Vipak. Means it excludes Vipaka Chitta, Kusala Chitta and Akusala Chitta. So here it is also said that Yeche Dhamma, whatever the states means Chitta, Chetsik, Rupa and Nibbana. Kriya, they are called as inoperative consciousness. Neo Kusala, they are neither Kusala Chitta, that is the 21 or 37 types of consciousness, nor Akusala. They are not 12 types of Akusala Chitta. Nacha Kamma Vipaka, they are also not the resultant of the moral and immoral actions. Sabbam cha Rupam, here Sabbam cha Rupam, that is all the 27 types of material qualities. Asankhata cha Dhatu, that is the Nibbana. Ime Dhamma Neo Viparka na Viparka Dhamma. That these Dhammas or states are called as neither resultant Viparka nor Viparka Dhamma. That is nor they are responsible for making the resultant of moral or immoral actions. So there are altogether 49 types of states which are called as Neo Viparka, nor Viparka Dhamma. So this is the end of our here Viparka Tikya. So can we move to third another Viparka Tikya? We have discussed about the Vedana Tikya and Viparka Tikya. Is there a break after this? 5 minutes more. So we can discuss about the next Tikya in a very brief manner. Then we will come. If you have the text, then it will be more clear to you, because here I have taken only Kusala Tikya, Vedana Tikya and Viparka Tikya. Only 3 Tikya we have discussed here. So Now we are going to discuss the next topic, which is called as Katme Dhamma Upadin Upadaniya. Then the next question is Katme Dhamma Anupadin Upadaniya. And third is Katme Dhamma Anupadin Anupadaniya. So now the question is, the first question is, let me discuss, then it will be more clear. So do you have the text in your hand? Otherwise I can write down the text. So there are three questions here. If you see, Katme Dhamma Upadin Upadaniya, Katme Dhamma Anupadin Upadaniya, Katme Dhamma Anupadin Anupadaniya. So there are two terms here, Upadin and Upadaniya. Here, Upadin means the states which are generated on the basis of the resultant of the moral and immoral actions. Upadin, that is the generated, based upon the resultant of the moral and immoral actions. Upadan, there are another phrase, in the 12 links of the law of dependent propositions, you will see that Tanha Pachaya Upadan. Upadan is called as Parvati Tanhati Upadanam. That whenever a desire is translated into an action, this is called an upadan. So here upadaniya is the object of grasping or object of becoming. Tanha pachaya upadanam. So here the question is Katme Dhamma Upadin Upadaniya. How many are the dhammas or the states which are generated on the resultant of the moral and immoral actions, as well as upadaniya, they are the objects of grasping. The first question. Second question is Katme Dhamma Anupadin Upadaniya. How many are the dhammas which are not generated on the resultant of the moral and immoral actions, but they are the objects of grasping or objects of becoming, upadaniya. The third question is Katme Dhamma Anupadin Anupadaniya. How many are the states or the dhammas which are neither generated on the resultant of the moral and immoral actions, as well as they are not objects of grasping. So there are three questions here. So here upadin means that is generated on the resultant of the moral and immoral actions. That is there are 12 types of kusala chitta as well as 21 types of kusala chitta. These are the actions through which they are generated. They are forcing a person to come into process of repeated existence, that is the Bhauchaka Parampara. As well as there are Kamma Jaroop also. Let us discuss this Kamma Jaroop. So Kamajarupa will come to the text, then it will be more clear to you. Kamajarupa. Pasad Rupa 5. So there are material qualities also, Kamaj Rupa. There are four types of Rupa Samuthana, that is the Kam, Chitta, Uttu and Ahar. Based upon these four factors, the Rupa are generated, the material qualities are generated. So on the basis of the Kamma, there are five Pasad Rupa, that is the Chakku, Sot, Dhan, Jiva and Kar. They are called as five Pasad Rupa. Then Bhava Rupa, that is Ithi Indriya and Purus Indriya. There are two types of Indriyas which are called as here. There is another Rupa which is called as life vitality, Jivit Indriya, that is the Jivita Rupa. So altogether there are 8 types of our material qualities or the Rupa which are called as a Kammaj Rupa. So this will come under this. So Upadin means that the generated on the resultant of the moral and immoral actions, that is the 12 types of Akusala Chitta as well as 21 types of Kusala Chitta, as well as when we are coming to the Rupa, there are Kamaja Rupa which are 8 in number. But in the case of later Abhidhammic text of Abhidhammat Sangho, in Dhammasangari, there is no any concept of Adaya Rupa. But here, when in the later text of Dhammat Sangho, here Adaya Rupa is also included, Adaya Vattu. So altogether there are 9. But coming to Dhammasangari, there are only 8 types of material qualities which are called as Kammaja Rupa. So come to the text, then it will be more clear to you. There are 3 questions here. So then it will be more clear to you. So Katme Dhamma Upadin Upadaniya. So Sasava Kusala Kusalanam Dhammanam Vipaka Kamavachara Rupavachara Vedana Khando Sanya Khando Sankhar Khando Biyan Khando Yamcha Rupam Kamasya Katata Ime Dhamma Upadin Upadaniya. So all the, if you see the PC, all the Vipaka resultant of the 3 types of, so Kamavachar altogether, Kamavachar 23, Rupavachar 5, Arupavachar 4. All together 32 types of consciousness and 8 types of Rupa. They are called as Upadin Upadaniya. Means these 32 types of resultant of the moral and immoral actions only in the sphere of Kamavachar, Rupavachar and Arupavachar, not in Lokottara. Only in the 3 planes of existence, Kamavachar, Rupavachar and Rupavachar, there are 32 types of consciousness which are called as Upadin, that is the generated on the resultant of the moral and immoral actions. So here 32 types of Vipak, they are called as Vipak. So this, if you see the text, then it will be clear. Sasava Kusal Akusala Dhamma Kamavachara Rupavachara Sasava Kusal Akusalanam Dhammanam Vipaka Kamavachara Rupavachara Arupavachara Vedana Khando Sanya Khando Sankhar Khando, that is the 52 types of psychic factors. as well as beyond Khando, 89 or 121 types of consciousness. These, these are called as and yam cha rupam kamasya katata ime dhamma upadin upadani. The second matika, the question is katme dhamma anupadin anupadaniya. How many are the dhammas which are not generated on the resultant of the moral and immoral actions, but they are upadaniya, they are the objects of grasping or objects of becoming. So how many are the dhammas? So answer is here given. Sasva kusal akusalanam dhammanam rupavachara अरूपावचरा वेदना खंदो संज्ञा खंदो संखार खंदो विज्ञान खंदो ये च धम्मा क्रिया नेव कुशला अकुशला न च कम विपाका यम च रूपम च कमस्य कतता इमे धम्मा अनुपादिन उपादानीय. So based upon the here the answer of this question will be कामावचर कुशल, ये रूपावचर रूपावचर So the answer is here kusal in the planes of kamavachar, rupavachar, arupavachar. Altogether there are 17 types of consciousness which are called as kusala in the case of anupadin upadaniya, and there are akusala 12, then kamavachar, rupavachar, arupavachar, kriya 20. These are called as anupadin upadaniya, means they are not resultant of the moral and immoral actions, but they are the objects of becoming in the process of repeated existence. They are the objects of becoming or objects of grasping. The third question is here Tatme Dhamma Anupadin Anupadaniya. There are two questions here. How many are the dhammas which are neither resulted generated on the basis of the moral and immoral actions, as well as they are not objects of grasping? Two terms here. How many are states? Here dhamma is in the sense of which are not generated on the resultant of the moral and immoral actions, as well as they are not a anupadani. They are not the objects of grasping. So the answer is mug, food, phal, food, and nibbana. चत्तारो मग्गा, चारो चत्तारो फल and असंख्यता चा धातु. So if you go through the text, it will say that the third, Apariyapanna in the stage of Lokottara, Magga cha Magfalani. Mag means four mag, that is the Sotapati Magga, Sagdagami Magga, Anagami Magga, and Arat Magga. Then Phala, Sotapati Phala, Sagdagami Phala, Anagami Phala, Arhat Phala, and Nibbana. Sankatacha Dhatu, Ime Dhamma, Anupadin, Anupadaniya. These are the four mag, four phal, and Nibbana. They are not generated on the resultant of the moral and immoral actions, as well as they are not objects of grasping or becoming. So these are there are three questions in the Upadin Nitik, that Katme Dhamma, Upadin Upadaniya, Katme Dhamma Anupadin Anupadaniya, and Katme Dhamma Anupadin Anupadaniya. So, answer we have discussed just now, that only in the case of this Anupadin Anupadaniya, that in the case of Magga 4, Phala 4, and Asankata Dhatu, that is the Nibbana. This is called as our Anupadin Anupadaniya. So let us stop here, but we have to continue the other Madhika which have been discussed here. So we have to discuss the Sankalesika and other Dhammas. After this class we will meet together again. So any question if you have, we can discuss it just after it. Okay, we will have
10 minutes now, we have a break. So after break we'll come back.
ये खत्म हो गया, कम से कम तो इसके बाद is it clear or I have to make it clear again? अच्छा, इसमें वही कि इसको टाइप करने में समय